Happy Earth Day! Look at this big, beautiful earth that we live in. Isn't it awesome, everyone?
Yeah!
Yes! So today, April 22nd, 2020 is Earth Day. And we created our very own picture of our Earth. And what two colors do you see? Can you tell me what colors you see, Cameron?
Yep.
You're right.
There's one
What about
green.
you, Mateo? Uh-huh. We see blue and we see green, right, Sailor? Awesome. And Kinsley, what circle is this? Oh, I just told you. What shape is the Earth? Right, it's a big circle. Very cool. So we're gonna do a couple activities today with you for Earth Day. And everyone, can you say hi?
Hi, boys and girls.
Say good
Happy
morning.
Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day. And look, Sadie's showing off her shirt. It says, here, back up. What does it say? Let me pick you up. It says, love your mother. And look, what does it have a picture of right here? The Earth, right? And I love this shirt because it's so true, right? We have to love our mommies. Yes, and our Mother Earth. And look what Natalie's wearing. She's wearing what type of animal?
Yes.
That's right, an elephant, like when we did our elephant dance. And does anyone know what print I'm wearing? Let's do a couple clues. Am I wearing a fish print?
No.
Am I wearing a butterfly print?
No.
What about a
Leopard?
a leopard print? Yes, very, very good. And let's see what Benson has. He has an animal that lives in
Water.
the ocean. He's got a shark hat on. So cool. So Earth Day is so much about the earth, but it also is about the animals that are in the earth and live in the earth. And one of the words you might hear is the word polluted. Oh, look at this picture. Look at this picture. Oh my goodness. Look at all the smog and all the smoke. And look, this guy is covering his mouth because he doesn't want to breathe in that gross, disgusting air. And polluted, it's like smelly air that you try not to breathe in. So we want to try and keep the earth
Nice and not.
Yes, we're not going to pollute the earth, okay? And I have a really great song that goes with it. And it's by Jack Johnson. And it's called The 3 R's. And it's a very, very catchy song. Hey, Sadie, she's very excited today. So, Sadie, why don't you come on up here?
And I have tigers.
Oh, Benson also has tigers on his socks, okay?
I can't.
Oh, thank you. All right, so with this 3 R's song, we're gonna learn about reduce, say reduce,
Reduce.
reuse,
Reuse.
and recycle, okay? So here, let's listen and sing along. Jack Johnson. Sorry, we have kind of a weird glare, but Jack Johnson, the 3 R's. Here it goes. Three. It's a magic number. 1, 2, 3. 3. A magic number.
Because 2 times 3
It's 6.
3 times 6 is
18.
and the 18th letter in the alphabet is
R.
R.
we got 3 R's. We're
We're
gonna
gonna
talk
sing
about
that today.
we gotta learn to
Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
If you're going to the market to buy some juice,
What color is that? Right, that's purple.
we gotta learn to reduce.
Reduce.
And if your brother or your sister's
Oh,
got
purple
some,
again.
you could try them out before you buy some more of those reuse.
Reuse.
We gotta learn
That's what we do with Natalie's clothes for Sadie.
to 2 R's, don't worry, guys.
And
We gotta make
Benson.
some trash, well, don't throw it out.
Recycle.
Recycle.
Recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
What color
Sing
is
with us.
that?
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Green.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Because 3 is a magic number.
3.
Yes, it is.
3.
It's a magic number. Very good. So that was a fun little reduce, reuse, recycle by Jack Johnson. The 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very, very good, okay? Now, if I can have my kiddos sit down, I'm going to share with you a simple Earth Day craft using torn paper. This is a torn paper craft. I just went online and I got a picture of the earth. So I printed these out for my kiddos. And now they're gonna have a blue piece of paper and can I borrow this? And a green piece of paper. Because remember, those are the 2 colors of the earth. So what we're gonna do is, Sadie, why don't you join us? You're going to just make little tiny pieces of these paper, of the colored paper. And my kids are gonna do that while I read you another book, okay? Nice and small, nice and small. Oh, and Benson's already, he's jumping ahead. He knows what he's doing. So what he did, he tore some of the green, and now he's gluing the green onto where the land is. So the green is land. And what do you think the blue represents?
The water.
The water, the oceans. Very good. So maybe by the time I'm done reading, their torn paper art of the earth will be completed. We'll see. All right?
Mine definitely probably will.
Okay, so Benson's very motivated to get that done. So today I'm going to share a book that we're all very familiar with, that we have read multiple times in our classes, and it's Panda Bear, Panda Bear.
What
do you see? Okay, so I figured this would be a great book to do because you guys can read along with me. All right, here we go. Panda Bear, Panda Bear, what do you see? What do you see? I see a bald eagle soaring by me. Bald eagle, what do you see? I see a water buffalo charging by me. He's very big. Water buffalo, what do you see? I see a spider monkey swinging by me. Spider monkey, what do you see? I see a green sea turtle swimming by me. There he is.
Just like this.
Green sea turtle, what do you see? I see, this is my favorite one, a macaroni penguin.
What?
A macaroni penguin right there. And what is he doing? He's strutting. He's strutting right by us. Macaroni penguin, what do you see? I see a sea lion. There he is, splashing by me.
I see that sea lion.
There he is. I'll show you the big picture of him. There he is. Sea lion, what do you see? I see what do we see?
A fox.
A fox. A red fox. Or actually, it's a red wolf. But he does look like a fox.
Fox.
Okay.
Fox.
Red wolf. What do you see? Sadie, you want to do it?
I
see a whooping crane looking by me. There's that whooping crane. Whooping crane, whooping crane. What do you see? I see a black panther strolling by me. There he is. Black panther, what do you see? I see a dreaming child watching over me. Very good. Dreaming child, what do you see? I see, ready? We're going to go through all the animals we just read about. I see a panda bear, a bald eagle, a water buffalo, a spider monkey, a green sea turtle, a macaroni penguin, a sea lion, a red wolf, a whooping crane, and a black panther, all wild and free. That's what I see. Very good. So just as much as we talk about the Earth on Earth Day, we have to always remember our animal friends too. And we want to keep all of these animals in mind on Earth Day. Does that sound good? All right, let's check out our torn paper Earths that we have going on. Oh my goodness, that looks great.
I'm almost done, but I just have to do a little.
Okay, can we show everyone? So look, Benson's working very hard on his land with all the green, which is great. And it's okay if you're not perfectly in the lines. When it's all done, it's gonna make a great collage.
Yeah.
Oh wow, Natalie did a whole lot of green. Oh my goodness.
That's a lot.
I think we have enough green. Why don't you start going on the blue?
Ready?
Yep. And then we have another activity to share with you today. Sadie, do you want to do the other activity with us? Okay. So I'm going to just move the camera a little bit because what we're going to have is we're going to figure out where in the world, here Lulu, move. Where in the world, do animals live?
Oh,
All right. Again, I'm sorry. We need to get some good,
I know we have bears live.
All right, why don't you move your leg? Okay, here we go. So we're going to figure out where in the world do animals live? And then we have a question mark there because we're going to try and figure that out. So we have a couple different bubbles with words in it. Why don't you turn this way so everyone can see you? So we're going to see if animals live on the farm, the ocean, a pond, a house, in a house. What types of animals live in a house? What do we call them? Pets, right? Do you have any pets at home?
Like dogs.
Oh, dogs. You have a dog. Oh, you have a cat. Do you really have a bird? What do we have, guys?
We have a fish.
We have a fish named Rainbow. That's our only pet.
Mommy,
And what kind of pet did our uncle just get?
a snake.
Does anyone have a snake at home?
Not us.
Not us.
Look at
Miss Erica is a little, what's the word we would use?
Scared.
Terrified of snakes. Yes. So, if you have a pet snake, please don't bring it to any of our classes. Thank you. Okay, so scoot your boots.
I did that.
So we have house. So the pets. If we come across any pets.
Blue.
The jungle.
Blue.
And then also in the woods. Okay. So Sadie's going to choose her first stamp. And Sadie, tell us what animal it is. Show everyone. Show this way.
Cow. A moo.
And what sound does a cow make?
Moo.
Moo. Can you moo with us? Moo.
Moo.
Okay, so Sadie, where does a cow live? Oops, which bubble? In a farm. Very good. So you put one cow in the farm bubble. Very good. Step aside so everyone can see. We'll show you at the end too. All right, Natalie, if you can choose a stamp, and then we'll put the stamps we already did off to the side. Natalie, what do you have?
I got a pig.
Nice and close so everyone can see
Yeah.
it. And what sound does the pig make?
Oink, 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 oink.
And then where does a pig live?
In the farm.
On a farm. Very good. It's like old McDonald's farm. Benson's going to choose one next. Benson, just choose one. It's kind of fun if you just pick and don't look. Ooh, what does Benson
Monkey.
have? Bring it up nice and close. A monkey.
So where would that go, Benson? Do you think it would go in the jungle? Yeah.
Yes. All right. So Benson's going to put the monkey in the jungle. That's where it lives. And
Jungle.
my kiddos, do you know what is the word where the animals live? It's their habitat. Can you say that word? Habitat. So the habitat is the environment where the animals live. Okay, my turn. I want to be part of this too. Okay, what do I have? Cock-a-doodle-doo! I have a rooster. So my rooster, where do you think it belongs? The farm, the ocean?
I think it's
The farm. Very good. All right. Thank you, Benson.
Whoa.
All right, Sadie, your turn. Sadie, go ahead.
Sadie,
Can you choose one? Why don't you do that one? Show everyone. What is it?
A dolphin.
A dolphin. Oh my gosh. I love dolphins. And actually, Disney Nature, their Earth Day movie, they have a whole, their movie this year is on dolphins. And we watched it, and it was so amazing to watch, right? Wasn't the dolphin? So Disney Nature, it's on Disney Plus. I think you can get it on Netflix, but it's a great family friendly movie. So the ocean, yes, dolphins live in the ocean. Good. All right,
Now it's
Natalie,
my
what's
turn.
yours?
I'm gonna get a shark.
Ooh, a shark.
Shark.
Now, I have a question. Natalie, do sharks, we know they live in the
Ocean.
water, right? Because they swim. But I have a question. Do they live in the ocean or a pond? Because both of them have water. In the ocean, very good. Sharks need salt water or they live in salt water. And so that's why we're putting sharks in the ocean. Very good. All right, Vince, what do you have?
He got a.
What do you have?
Woof woof dog.
Dog! I love it. So where is the doggy living?
Home.
In the home, in the house, a pet. Very good. All right, I'm going to do one. And this is what Natalie has on her shirt and one of our favorite dances, the elephant dance, okay? And now let me ask you all where elephants live. Do they live in houses? No. If any of you had a pet elephant, I would like you to bring those to our story times and classes because that would be really cool. But I'm going to put our elephant in the jungle. Very good. We're going to do one more stamp each, okay? And then we'll show you. Go ahead, Sadie, pick one.
Doggy.
Oh, we got another doggy. Why don't you pick another one? Because we already have the doggy.
No.
Okay, do your doggy. Natalie, why don't you pick one?
I'm gonna pick
Lots of decisions over here this morning.
doggy.
Good job.
Silly doggy.
Natalie has a
I have a turtle.
turtle. Ooh, now this is a good one because
It could either go in an ocean or a pond.
Very
So
good.
now I'm going to do both.
Yes, so Natalie is putting the turtle in both ocean and pond because like the sea turtle lives in the sea, the ocean. But there's also like painter turtles. We actually saw some at a pond. We went to Young's Pond and we saw some painter turtles in there. So if you're looking for something to do and you want to go on a turtle hunt, Young's Pond or even the Supply Pond is a great place to go and look for turtles.
Quack.
Quack. Oh, what are those? Cheep, 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 cheep. They're little
Ducks.
They're little chicks. Okay, so where do the chicks live?
I don't know. I got a lizard.
Oh, nice.
That's
Okay,
cool.
so the only category we didn't get is in the woods. Think about around your house or in the supply pond, like I was just saying. What are some of the animals that you might see in the woods?
Maybe a deer.
A deer, very good.
A squirrel.
Deer.
Squirrels.
What else?
Birds.
Coyotes.
Coyotes.
Foxes.
Foxes.
Lots of ideas.
We see a lot of them.
So
in
let's
our
go
woods.
over the categories that we have and what animals we have in the farm. We have oink oink pig, moo cow, cluck cluck rooster. Not sure you guys could see that very well. Ocean, we have our dolphin, shark, and turtle. In the pond, another turtle.
Lizard.
House
Dog.
and the lizard, lots of doggies. And then jungle, we have
A
monkey, elephant, and lion. In the woods, we didn't have a deer stamp. But I hope you guys, please, 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 if you decide to do the Earth Day craft, the torn paper, send us some photos. We would love to see it. If you go to any of the hiking places that I mentioned, anywhere in Brantford, send us pictures
Sadie's turning
to the
into
rec
a
department.
dog.
We would love to see you. I miss you all, and I want to see what you're doing and the fun projects you're doing. And Natalie?
So if you don't have like a printer at home, maybe you can just draw on Earth.
Very good. You could just draw a circle. And Sadie's pretending to be a dog. Okay, so bye everyone. We'll see you very soon. I miss
boys and
you.
girls.
We'll see you soon. And a very, very, very happy Earth Day. And remember the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Bye.